Morning folks, Casablanca Lady Delta here. I acquired this from Dan Spiffy Neuman when I went out to Wisconsin. I have it, has a 4.5 flywheel, but I connected just 4 blades to it for now. But, let's try it out. Slow. Even on slow, it moves quite a bit of air. Medium. And high. And the high's really moving quick. Oh, that ain't good. Oop, a little too close to the TOC. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that. Looks like there's double check, see if there's any damage to either fan. Oh, little nick in the blade there. I think it already had that. These fans made it over 1,000 miles, probably closer to 1,500 miles from Indiana up to Chicago through Wisconsin, and then back to Massachusetts. So overall, it held up pretty well throughout that shipment. Let's see, little guy here. Okay, looks like a little. Can't really tell if that was existing. A couple little scuffs. Oh, there you have it. Fan test with collision. Have a good one.